You know, I don't know that I could be a nursing student right now. You guys are so resilient. You have so much fortitude, so much stick-to-itiveness. I don't know that I could do it. Now, don't get me wrong. I get it done. It's just now in the climate that we're in, I'm just really proud of you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire, and I wanted to jump on today and just tell you how very proud I am of you guys showing up in clinic, making sure you're getting your work done. And as nurse practitioner students, I know it's hard. You guys are literally clamoring to find sites to work in and to be out here on the front lines, continuing to work your regular jobs, even with all the death that we're seeing, all of the, the illness. And I know you guys have signed up for this, but you didn't sign up for this the way that this is. And I just wanted to come on here and just say that I see you guys, and I am just extremely proud to be among you, to work with you, to just be in your presence. And I just wanted to say that. It was very important for me to do that. I know it's supposed to be a Christmas vlog, but man, you guys, I'm proud of you guys, and I'm proud of course, all nurses, all nurse practitioners, medical staff, but nurse practitioner students. You guys are showing me just how much grit you guys really have. You guys have overcome fear. You have overcome shortages of supplies, not having clinical sites, showing up and being told to go home, having to be ill yourselves, your families, having to still pay your tuition and all this stuff that's going on, and you're not complaining. You're just showing up, you're getting it done. Not only are you getting the didactic part of it done, you're getting the clinical part of it done. And that's nothing short of amazing. And I listen, you're not even getting paid, that part. So I applaud you guys. I just know that this is hard. It's hard for us, it's hard for me, it's hard for everybody right now. But I suspect that it's really hard for you as a student. And you guys are inspiring me, and I hope I'm doing the same. But beyond all that, just keep going, keep showing up, keep going, but please be safe in everything that you're doing. And if I haven't said it to you, I'm saying it to you now. I'm proud of you guys. Anyway, take care, guys. I hope you're enjoying your holiday season, your holiday time. I just wanted to pop in and share that with you. If you're not a part of the Extraordinary family, feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, all that good stuff, guys. But yeah, take care.